Hello my people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to explain how you can distribute your music to major streaming stores, something like Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Boomplay and many more using distribution company. Many upcoming artists have been just uploading their song and audio mark, and later on the person will just want or be praying to go global. That's not how it works. You have to do the right thing and then wait for the right results. So today I want to explain how you can distribute your song in order to get it to these major stores. There are many distribution companies, something like this, Root Notes, something like Amuse, something like DistroKid, something like TuneCore, something like Ditto. There are many more, something like United Master. There is this my guy that uses United Master. But first of all, these are the key things you need before uploading your song. You need to make sure your artwork is ready, and the artwork should not be AI generated artwork. You have to produce the artwork, check all the qualities of artwork, because something like Spotify, they have artwork that they accept. That is reason sometimes you try to upload music, you get problem. You check qualities of artwork, check the pixel, check the ratio, check the sharpness, everything. And then make sure the name you want to use on your music distribution company is the same name you are using on your social handle. The name need to match. Some of you have 2 to 3 artist name. That is very bad as someone that is still coming up. You're already confusing yourself. You're already confusing your audience. So you have to know what you are about to do and then decide on your own. So after this, you know your artist name, do the artwork, make sure the artwork have music artwork qualities. And then now we talk about uploading the song. Now, the next thing is choosing the distribution company that you want to use. This is the next thing, okay? Now, we have Root Note, TuneCore, Amuse, United Master, Ditto, many more. But now, some of these distribution companies allow you to pay single annual pay, meaning you have to pay once every year in order to get your song distributed through them. Most of them collect $30, most of them collect $20. Also, there are ones that are free, something like Root Notes. I love the distribution company. They allow you to upload your music free. They have premium plan, they have free plan. But one thing about free plan is, if you use free plan, it has to take long period of time for the song to be out on the distribution company. Something like 30 days or more. But if you use premium, you can pay something like $10 yearly, and then you keep your 100% royalty. But if you use your free plan, you keep 85% of your loyalty, as the company keep 15%. But I will advise you, as someone that is just coming up, you are not already making money, you don't have fan base, you don't have audience, you just want to get your song out there to people here. So it's better you use free plan, upload your music, and then start doing your video, because there is no time, there is never a time in human life. So something like Ditto, something like Amuse allow you to pay single annual payment every year. Once you pay, you have unlimited upload till the next year. But to me, I think the best one currently is what's the name? DistroKid. I think this is the best distribution company currently. They allow you to make single payments and then you can upload unlimited. They even give you a little chances of going viral on TikTok. Just little chances of going viral and visibility. No, that is not, it's not 100% though. It's not 100%. You have to put in work, but there is this little chance. This is the best distribution company as of 2026. I'm making this video. So But if you don't have money to pay, depending on your country, depending on your region, you can choose the ones that have premium plan and free plan, which I have explained. That a good example of it is Rootnote. On my next video, I'm gonna show you step-by-step way on how you can distribute your song in order to see it on Boomplay, Spotify, everywhere. I'm here to help upcoming artists that are not being signed to any label. I'm here to help you guys. So if today is the first time you're coming across this channel, kindly subscribe, because I will be teaching a lot of things here. Thank you and goodbye. I will see you in my next video. I'm an artist too, from Nigeria, southeastern part of Nigeria. If you have any problem or challenges that you are facing on your musical career, kindly chat me up on WhatsApp with this number. Let's get to solve it out for you.